We need to pack everything before that man come and catch us here.
Open the gate. Open the gate.
No.
Open the gate.
Why are you running? Rich ones and cup of tea. Funny people.
Come down, let's pack. 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 Come down. Give me. Go.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Go.
God have mercy upon us.
Hey!
Oh, Mumu, not too much. I'm David West.
Put the push. Go now, you don't have to do this thing. Before Barrister ZACCHAEUS will come. Put the load. Carry the load and put.
The blood.
How
did you get here?
But I'm gonna
Barrister ZACCHAEUS. So after representing you and your wife in court, the two of you think you can abscond with my money. Why do you think they call me Barrister Legal ZACCHAEUS? The only barrister that is legal to be a ZACCHAEUS. After giving you a qualified representation, a matter that is supposed to take you to prison, I represented you and your wife. A criminal offense. You think you can elope with my money? For a matter you are supposed to go to jail. Okay, barrister, it's not like that now. Is that why you appeared inside the book? No, that is why I appeared in your father's grave.
He shock you.
Now people like Ona, they make us bring out the street nature of our body. Now they make us bring out the bad nature for our body. After giving you a good representation, and you want to run away with my money.
They never show you say the Mumu.
Choose among the two of you who goes down first.
Ukawa is there.
Should I take you first or your worthless husband? It's just 500,000 naira now. That money is no longer 500,000. You know, before you people are supposed to pay 500,000. Hey, but for inconveniencing me and to go through this stress,
I'm
come close, my friend.
Let me tell you before you know that
you are now paying 1.5 million naira. Hey, Oga Barrister, any one of you that repeats that shout again will go first. See, I try to tell people say street no easy. And when we try to be the lawyers that we have gone to school for, some of you want to make us to be the street guys. Who is bringing my money? Who is bringing? She's the one. Transfer the money to Barrister. Start making the transfer. Only transfer the money to Barrister.
I don't get my phone here now.
You don't what?
I don't get my phone here now.
Hey! Or you make the transfer.
I don't have money on my account. It's my wife. I
don't have money on your account. Oh, Barrister, please calm down, please. Send me my money. I don't have money in my account. My phone is not here. You don't have money in your account. Your phone is not here. You don't have money in your account.
It's okay, no problem.
Choose who is going down among the two of you.
Choose who goes down first.
Your wife.
You don't say Nama in the right face.
Oh, so it goes man die first.
Yes.
So but you are the one that drove the vehicle. So you acted more than the man. Your wife has chosen you.
My friend, come close.
See, let me tell you, make at that two of honor. If I make us come out this wig and gown and suit where we wear like this, carry tools, wear beret. Things go lampard for na Stanford Bridge.
God, but it has not come to this extent now.
Fine. One thing will happen here. One person has to go back with me inside the boot, and one person drives.
Let's go to my house.
Who is entering? Your wife will enter. Are you entering or your wife? I let my wife enter. The wife will drive. Go and drive. Enter the boot. Okay, go and drive. Enter the boot, my friend.
My friend, enter the boot.
For the count of two, you enter. Come on, enter inside the boot. Enter inside the boot.
Now I'm supposed to enter.
My friend, I will slap you, and your kidney will represent your destiny. Enter the boot.
But you're not saying now I'm supposed to.
I will not you. I will not you. Go and drive. Okay. Let me close. Go and drive. That is how people make us to be wicked in life. And when we now show this part of our life, they say, don't be lawyer, be this. He's taking laws into his hand. Now I'm taking the law inside the boot.
They
Nonsense.
sorry, you.
But Naman is.
I will not you.
Allow them, let them kill you. But you hope another defeat day you could learn. We must learn a lesson. Not be juju be that.